Alright, just a short video to show you this Sony CFS-B31 radio cassette recorder. Comes with a mains power lead, goes in the side. It's in full working order. It does have marks all over the place. It is well used, like on the grill here, like here. As you can see, when it's on tape, it's on off. If you press play, there's tape in. Come and sit back. Fast forward. Rewind. Fast forward. From this valley, it all works. That all works. It can be a bit crackly on the volume. When it's on the radio, it can be crackly. FM radio. And just tune in here. The only thing is the display, as you can see, there's a couple of digits which don't appear, but you can just like tune in like so. AM as well. Tape off, take it out, unplug it. So it has a standard phone socket. Just put the air wheel down. Carry handle on the rear. I think this is a switch in there for switching from FM stereo to mono. Battery compartment, nice and clean, no corrosion. Just have little specks of, I don't know, looks like emulsion or something, but it's all working. Any questions, just please ask. Thank you.